CORSAIR Air 54000LX RGB, the case that silently fixes heat, clean builds, and high-end throttling.
You finish the build, hit the power button, and everything looks perfect for exactly 30 minutes. Then the fans ramp, the GPU hits 85 degrees Celsius, and you quietly accept that this is just how high-end PCs are. You spent 4 figures on components, but you're still nursing them like a sick patient every gaming session. That slow realization that your case is the bottleneck no one talks about, that's the hidden cost you pay daily. Have you ever looked at your temp graph after an hour and felt that little stab of disappointment?
Week by week, the throttle creeps in. Boost clocks drop, frame times stutter, and you tell yourself it's fine. You lose hours repasting, undervolting, adding random fans that do nothing but add noise. Your weekends shrink because half of Saturday is now spent chasing 5 degrees. Your once proud build starts feeling fragile, and the worst part, you know the next GPU or CPU will only make it hotter. The joy you felt on day one quietly drains away until you stop showing it off altogether. That heavy feeling when you walk past your setup and feel resignation instead of excitement, that's the slow bleed most people never admit until it's too late.
This is where CORSAIR Air 5400 LXR RGB IQ Link triple chamber enters, and everything changes. It simply separates heat at the source with 3 dedicated chambers so hot air never gets the chance to cook your GPU again. 4 quiet superpowers hit at once. The front cooling chamber feeds stone-cold air straight to your CPU radiator. The main chamber gives your GPU an uninterrupted highway of airflow. The PSU and drives live in their own hidden world with 0 heat bleed. And the reverse rotor LXR fans push massive CFM at library quiet levels. Last month, I watched a friend finish his 4090 build in this case. 2 hours later, he texted me, "Bro, it's 61 degrees Celsius on the GPU, and I can't hear it." That moment when you realize the case is finally working for you instead of against you, that's allowed now. The inverted motherboard option is just the cherry most people don't even discover until week 3.
Immediate result: core temperatures drop 12 to 18 degrees Celsius the first boot. Weekly win: you stop checking HW info every 10 minutes. Long-term freedom: your components actually age slower and boost higher for years. Gamers Nexus recorded the lowest GPU thermals they've ever seen in a mid-tower. Jay's 2 cents said this is the first case where I didn't have to fight the airflow. It just works. One builder dropped from 89 degrees Celsius to 64 degrees Celsius on his 4090 FE with 0 extra fans. I noticed after 3 weeks that I hadn't opened the glass once to fix anything. Which of these benefits hits you hardest? Comment 1 for silence you can feel, 2 for GPU temps that don't scare you, 3 for a build that finally stays clean. The triple chamber design quietly outperforms every dual chamber case on the market without needing a PhD in airflow.
Imagine turning on your rig and knowing, without checking, that everything is cool, quiet, and running exactly as it should for the next 5 years. That's the felt benefit waiting for you. Link in the description, first one, pinned to the top. Click it today and lock in the white version before it's gone again. I put it there because 5 years ago, I wish someone had done the same for me. The CORSAIR Air 5400 LXR RGB IQ Link triple chamber is ready when you are. See you on the other side. For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.